y'all, so I'm about to do some chicken wings, so we're gonna test it out. So I'm gonna use one of these packs. I'm gonna do 2 different types, okay? I'm gonna use the sea salt brown sugar pack. All right, and it's already got salt, everything, so I'm not going to add nothing but what's in the pack, okay? Because it's got salt, of course. And then I'm gonna do, oh, it smells good, lemon pepper chicken wings over here. Alright, and it said you can add these like on vegetables and stuff too, y'all. So I have already washed my chicken. I do wash my chicken really, really good. That's just how I do it. Some people take it straight from the pack and they is okay with just putting them on there, but I wash mine vinegar wash. So that's the only thing you did not see. I mean, it's just water and vinegar and putting the chicken in it and, you know, washing it, you know. That's pretty much all that is. I got some of the brown sugar on my hands, but I don't care. It'll be fine. I don't mind putting it over here with the lemon pepper. It ain't gonna make too much of a difference for the taste or whatnot. So that will not bother me, or none of us shoot. These chicken wings. These chicken wings, okay? So I had my watch off when I washed them. I should have took it off again. Alright. So make sure they all coated. Coated up in there. Now let me bleach wash my hands. Okay, y'all. So I had said I was going to do Chorizo, which will be the full basket. I got to thinking, I was like, nah, let me use the divider and let's try the dual zone. Well, let's try dual cooking, okay? So single zone is if you're just using one basket. Tri-zone is both the full thing without the dividers, okay? But I said, let me go ahead. I'm gonna put, now I can put some parchment paper down in here to make cleanup a lot easier, but I want to try it out first without the parchment paper. It's slippery. I have already washed this with soap and water, the basket and the dividers and stuff, so it's all clean. My other air fryers had you to preheat it or whatnot, but this one don't say that. So y'all can see it right there. So I'm gonna put some on each side. Trying to keep the grate down, okay, like it's sliding up. So we're gonna see what it's doing, what it's gonna do, what it's gonna do. Like I say, I could have put some parchment paper down in there, but I want to see how easy it's gonna be to clean up and all that. And plus the grate's supposed to be like for crispier or something like that. That's what it said. So put some lemon pepper in there on that side. That. That is how they look. Yeah, I see. Okay. So, all right, Alright, y'all, so let's put this in. Alright. And air fry 400, air fry, I guess. Oh, on the time. Put it on. It said for chicken 2 pound, single zones 22. But is that gonna be for both sides? Let me see, y'all, cause I'm doing both sides. Let's see, dual cook. Okay. Okay, see, I'm glad I did that. So the dual cook is, let me go back. So since I'm doing both sides, let me see, y'all can see what I'm talking about. So since I'm doing both sides, cut it on, hit dual cook. Okay, it say left, air fry 400. I'm gonna do 26 minutes. Start. And then the right side is gonna be air fry 400. Time is gonna be 26 minutes. And I'm gonna hit start. So yeah, because you gotta cut both sides on. So there it goes. So we shall see. I like this one. I like this one. So maybe it was meant for those other ones to go out, maybe wait, give it some time, then rush into getting another one. And also, so far, man, we gonna see. I like it. I like it. Okay, honey bun. So with this, I am making some rice. So I have rice in my rice cooker, and I just washed my rice. I washed it a couple times in water just to get a lot of that starch off. And I cook by eyeballing, y'all. I don't know if you see me measuring something, it's for video purposes. Or if it's something that I need to get the correct measurements of, I would do that. Like when I say correct, like, you know, there's some recipes you gotta get it right, okay? Then I measure. But when I'm randomly cooking, I, you know, just, yeah. Alright, y'all, so I am using some of my Country Crock plant-based butter. Alright, the goal is to keep rice on hand. Rice is a big staple in my house. I don't eat brown rice like that because it still has like the husk or whatever that is on it, and I'm allergic to grasses, so I can get by with white rice. But the type of allergic reaction I have is more than just like your skin itching or you sneezing or whatnot. It bothers my digestive system. Yeah, environmental allergies or either being allergic to some, which are two different things, can mess with you internally too. So, and that's the case like cross reactivity. I have talked to y'all about that. So certain foods and stuff has the same pollen as the grass and stuff that I am allergic to. So yeah, so with that being said, I've just pulled this down and cut it on. Notice, y'all, I didn't put no salt in my rice because we're gonna have this rice with a little chorizo on top, just a little bit, and that is all you need, and that gives you all the seasonings that you need for your rice.
Take my hand, follow me out of the land of anxiety, where we all overthink, giving our power to the enemy. In the midst of hurt and pain, I could have been dancing in the rain, with my mind on higher things and the joy you'll bring. So there's
my goodness, y'all. I'm in here throwing down. I am on a roll. These chicken wings stopped maybe about 5 minutes ago. So let's see what they look like. Okay. Ooh, look at that. I want mine to go longer though, because I want that crisp, but look at that, look at that, look at that. So yeah, so I want the crisp roll. I'm gonna turn them real quick. So I'm going to turn down over, and I'm probably gonna have them to go probably another 15 minutes for my liking. You know, I wanted it like fried chicken, you know, chicken wings. So I want that crisp. Yeah. Turn some over. Alright, now they still should be fine. Alright, y'all, so the chorizo is done.
If it ain't lovely, if it ain't pure, I won't entertain it anymore. Now I choose you. I choose you. In your word, we are free, breaking the chains of anxiety. Since I am as a thing, take my thoughts into captivity. It's like
I think they right on the money. I think they right on the money. I think they right on the money. So I got 2 containers that I am about to put them in. So I know these are the sea salt and brown sugar ones right here. Oh yeah, I don't know if y'all can hear that crisp on them. These are the lemon pepper. Okay. Let me put these over here. I know which one, lemon pepper, and sea salt, brown sugar. And now I'm just gonna add another batch now that I know I'm familiar, you know, a little bit with the how the cook time goes. So yeah, I like it. And this is not a sponsored video or nothing. This is what we bought straight out, our own personal use. I'm just giving you my opinion on it still, and I like it. I like it, I love it, I want some more of it, I try so hard. Some of you may know that song, some of you may not. If you don't listen to country music, then you probably don't know that song. Alright. Got them going. Now I just put aluminum foil on it and just titled it what it is: sea salt brown sugar wings and then lemon pepper wings.